You want to travel alone, but you are scared. Well, I get it. Come, come, come closer. Here is how to do it. In this video, I will tell you three things. One, the biggest mistake solo travelers make. Two, how to never feel lonely. Three, simple safety rules that work anywhere. So, guys, if this is your first time coming across Dorcas Immigration Hub, please do well to hit that subscribe button right now. Let's start with the big mistake. The biggest mistake people make when traveling alone, they actually try to do too much. I too know. They plan breakfast at 8 a.m., museum at 10 a.m., lunch at 2 p.m. Then one thing goes wrong and the whole day feels ruined. Let me tell you what works instead. Plan one thing per day, just one. You are worried about being lonely. I understand. Here's the truth. You might actually feel lonely for an hour or two, but let me tell you, you're gonna be fine. Like, you're gonna be fine. You'll be all right. You'll be fine. Here's what actually helps. Stay in hostel, not hotel. Even if you can actually afford a hotel, but stay in hostel. You see, most hostels have private rooms, but you get the common area. Like, you get to stay in the common area where people just sit and work. Also, book a free walking tour on your first day. It actually helps. This is for people that loves to go on tours, or you actually love visiting different countries during summer. On your first day, try as much as possible to take a walk. You can actually book a walking tour on your first day. Almost every tourist city has them. So you walk around with a guide, which is your tour guide, and you will also have the opportunity to meet with other travelers, different travelers from different countries. You will actually meet someone. I tell you that you will meet someone. I am going to talk about the safety rules now for any city. So, as a solo traveler, okay, a lot of people ask that is solo travel safe? Yes, if you follow simple rules, it is actually safe. So, rule one is that share your live location with someone at home. WhatsApp actually works anywhere. I don't know about Russia. Yes, but WhatsApp works anywhere. Rule two, when you arrive at night, pay for official taxi or Uber, not the random person, offering a ride. Rule three, have, what's it called? Like, your wallets. Always have like extra money on you. Will I say dollars on you? Yes, always have that on you. Then rule four, trust your guts. Like, always trust your guts. If a street feels wrong, cross it. If a person feels pushy, walk away. You don't owe anyone your time because it is a foreign country. So, and you need to also abide by the rules, safety rules in any country that you visit. Now, let's talk about budgets. Let's talk about money. You see, there are some countries that, will I say, a lot of countries actually have scooters, So always like try to take scooter instead of car. Eat, you can actually have local foods. Yes, you can actually get a meal, maybe probably around. Let me talk about Bali. In Bali, You can actually get a meal cost around $2 to $3. So you get then your accommodation, you can actually what's it called? Get cheaper accommodation in Bali. These are Bali is a tourist center, yes. So I'm just using that as an example. So and in Bali you can actually see scooters. In other countries too, in Europe, you can see scooters. So if you are in Europe or any other country, don't exchange money at the airport. Yes, don't exchange money at the airport because they actually give very bad rates. I'll tell you this information, I'll give you this information for free. Changing money at the airport, they give bad rates. So instead, just use local ATM. It is always good and advisable that if you want to travel, try as much as possible to have a dollar card, or there are some, yes, a dollar card, or there are some Naira cards. This is for people in Nigeria. There are some cards that you can actually use outside of Nigeria. So always try as much as possible to have your dollar card and use local ATM. And if you have money to exchange, in don't exchange when you get to the airport. No, try as much as possible to exchange outside the airport. Then this will be the final road. Mm. Look, you will be nervous before your first solo trip. Honestly, that's normal. I have I have also experienced this, and I have been nervous too. Do you get? But the person who comes back from that trip will not be the same person who was scared to book the tickets. So you will be more confident, more sure of yourself. So if you are planning on going on a vacation right now, or if you are planning on a trip right now, please, my dear, book the flight, pack your bag, trust yourself, and move. Honestly, you're going to enjoy it. You know, going on tours is one of the fantastic things you will ever experience, because you are going to experience a lot of things. You are going to meet people from different parts of the world. So I'll tell you, it is always good to go away from home, like move far from home. Yes, it is always good. Chill your head and have nice time. You get meet people. So that is it. Please, if you have stayed with me to the very end of this video, thank you, thank you, thank you. And I appreciate you. Make sure you click on the like, subscribe, and also share this video. Thank you and bye.